Hey, welcome back, fellas, ladies, people. This is our probably 97. We're changing tires on an itty bitty lawnmower. I had problems with my camera. I would have captured the first joyous times. We'll have to say the first couple hours were less, more PG, I would say, and not hardcore, kill anybody. Crikey. Anywho, that rim's actually supposed to, yeah, that rim right there, it's supposed to come off with that shit pile of tire over yonder. Oh, there you go, right there. But it didn't want to. It's been 20 some years, so I just said, I'm gonna stay on there. So I gotta clean all that green nasty shit off and unbend the rim, and hopefully put a new tire in there. But it's gonna start raining. Fucking great week, love it.